Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to show you the tutorial how to use Google Scholar on your iOS or iPhone. So for using the Google Scholar, you just need to go open the Google Chrome, and after that in the Google Chrome you just need to add the new tabs. Now in the search button you just need to type a Google Scholar. And after you find the Google Scholar, you just need to click it, and then in the first rows there will be like the first link that appear on it. You just need to click it to generate you into the search button of Google Scholar. So now you just need to type what things that you want to looking for. So the Google Scholar containing the articles as well as journal and many sources that probably are mostly used by the doctor, students, and all of the scientists to find out the sources for their task, their work, and their experiment. Okay, you just need to type it. For example, I would like to have a food security. Just need to click it, and the Google Scholar will bring you to a lot of articles or journal internationally that you can access to find the sources. So you just need to click it if you already find one, the science of food security for example, and you just need to read the review first, the synopsis. Okay, and after that you can just go into the full view. Okay, and after that, after clicking the full view, you will be able to access all of the articles. You just need to find out and read what is containing on these articles or journal. And after you're done, you just need to go click this three smalls button, and you can also mark this as your favorite so that you can like visit them later when you need it again. So that's how the way to use Google Scholar. If you find that this tutorial is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.